Jamaica's Reggae Girlz delivered a historic and utterly dominant performance on Saturday, opening their CONCACAF Women's World Cup qualifiers with a jaw-dropping 18-0 demolition of Dominica at the Darren Sammy Cricket Stadium in St. Lucia. The emphatic victory launches Jamaica to the top of Group B on goal difference, sending an unmistakable message to the rest of the region. This result shatters Jamaica's previous record victories in World Cup qualifying 14-0 against St. Lucia in 2014 and 13-0 versus Guadeloupe in 2018. From the opening whistle, the Reggae Girlz swarmed Dominica. Konya Plummer struck first in the second minute, and by the 10-minute mark, Jamaica was already cruising at 4-0. They went into halftime leading 10-0, with Shaw and Van Zanten completing their hat tricks before the break. In the other opening match, Nicaragua defeated Antigua and Barbuda 4-0 on Thursday at the Sir Vivian Richards Stadium in St. John's. That sets up a crucial top-of-the-table clash next match day. The Reggae Girlz now shift their focus to match day 2, where they will face Nicaragua on the 2nd of March 2026 in Managua, Nicaragua.
Read more at JamaicaLiveNews.com.
Jamaica Live, your trusted news source, both locally and internationally. Please like, share, comment, and contribute to the conversation. Support independent media. Your donations are not just appreciated, they are essential to keeping Jamaica Live alive and thriving. Join us in making a difference. Donate today. Scan the QR code on our website or donate via PayPal to JamaicaLiveTVNews@gmail.com.